Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to connect paired Bluetooth devices. Connecting paired Bluetooth devices is essential for establishing a wireless communication link between your devices. When you pair a Bluetooth device, such as headphones, speakers, or a keyboard with another device. First, open the settings of your phone. Click on Bluetooth and tap on Receive Files. Paired devices are shown here. Click on the question mark sign at the top right corner. Select the option that you want to connect your Bluetooth with. Select which you want. For example, I am choosing headphones or speaker. Scroll down and tap on a wearable device option. You can download the app that accompanies your wearable, or you can open the app and then pair it with the wearable as prompted. You can also check it with a phone, tablet, or computer. Make sure your headphones or speakers are charged and in a range that is 10 meters. Press and hold the power button until the red and blue lights flash alternatively. Search for the device on your phone or tablet and pair it with it. That is how you can connect paired Bluetooth devices. Now go back to paired devices and click on the one which you want to connect. It is now connected successfully. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.